Meet Mr. Gupta, a traditional business owner. Meet Mr. Agarwal, corporate business owner. One day, Mr. Gupta came to meet Mr. Agarwal.
Mr. Agarwal, tell me that there are so many problems in business every day, like bringing new orders, placing an order to factory, then delivering that order to the distributors, retailer, then payment management from employees, and bank reconciliation. Ever since I digitalized the manufacturing business with the help of Dial ERP and made my own mobile app, then everything became easier. I believe that everyone should do business with the system. If we use old Lala type method in business, then there will not be any growth and it will give a Lala type results. To do big business, everything has to be done online, in which Dial ERP will help you. With the help of Dial ERP, the business will run through the system. The expenses will decrease. Retailer, distributor, super stockist make orders and payment from mobile, as well as whether their order is dispatched or not, delivered or not. All these are seen from that app itself. For more info, email info@dialerp.com. Visit website dialerp.com. Mobile 99711 223333.